Hey all, welcome to Pascal. In today's video and in next upcoming video series, we'll learn about ReactJs. So I'm introducing a technology called React. So in the series, we'll start from scratch to the advanced concepts in React. So Let's start with introduction of React with agenda. What is React? What are the prerequisites to learn React and why to use React? So coming to what is React? It is an open source JavaScript library for building fast and interactive user interfaces. So it is not a framework, it is a JavaScript library which is used to build the single page applications. And it is developed by Facebook in 2011. Now, most of the all not most of the all Facebook apps are using React.js where job opportunities are more. Like the Facebook applications are like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, all these applications are using React.js and it is a component based user interface library. So what is component? We'll see in next upcoming series of React. But as of now, just I'll show you an example which is going to be called as a component. So whatever we create using whatever the applications we create using React, and each and every application consisting component. So coming to the component here. So if you see, I just opened a tutorial website here. So whatever the page we open, each page consisting some sections, right? Some parts like header section, footer section, body section, right? So in left hand side, some particular content is going to be provided. Like here, if you see here, related to Python tutorial, the index page. And in right hand side, in this page, some ads are provided. In the middle part, body, actual content related to each and every particular thing. In the left hand side, we have the content is going to be provided in the body section. And in header section, what are the course you want to learn? Something, right? In the footer section, again related to the particular page, what are there to, what can be learned through this tutorial? What are these websites? What are their services and their contact details? Everything, right? So each and every page mostly is going to follow this kind of template, right? So here each and every section is going to be considered as a component here. And each and every section is going to be developed by the developer, where the burden on the developer is going to be reduced and with the help of components, a fast and interactive user interfaces are going to be built. So this is about what is React here. And coming to prerequisites. So what are the prerequisites required? So coming to this, you should have basic knowledge on HTML and CSS and also basic knowledge on JavaScript. As I said, it is a JavaScript library, including ES6 features. And also you should be familiar with programming concepts like functions, objects, arrays, and to a lesser extent classes. So coming to the most important point, why to use React here. So coming to this point here, there are plenty of reasons to use React here, but the two main features that make the React more than just a library are JSX and virtual DOM here. So what is JSX? We know JavaScript, HTML, CSS, XML. Then what is JSX? So here it comes. So JSX is combination of JavaScript code and HTML code. It is called JavaScript extension or JavaScript XML. So if you look into the syntax here in LHS part, I have just declared a variable using let keyword, which is a JavaScript code. In RHS, I've just provided HTML code, right? A button element I have used. See. So combination of JavaScript code and HTML code is called JSX. So this is the beauty of React. And next, the main feature is virtual DOM. I mean, how fast and interactive user interfaces can be built using virtual DOM. Why the responsive of the applications, React applications are more better because of virtual DOM. So we know what DOM, right? Document Object Model. I'll show you with an example so you can understand virtual DOM in a better way. So coming to virtual DOM here, simply I just open a Google page here. So when we'll just inspect this particular page, when you just click on inspect element page, element option, you are going to get this thing, right? So this is nothing but your DOM. This is your DOM here. So what are the changes are going to be made here? It reflects to the HTML page. So this is nothing but HTML tree structure. This is called a tree structure. This tree structure is called DOM here. In React, what happens? A virtual DOM is going to be used. Nothing but the virtual DOM is going to take copy of this real DOM and keeps it in a memory, and it is going to sync with this real DOM using React DOM library. Nothing but React DOM library, which leads to the performance improvement. In order to improve the performance of the React application, the virtual DOM is used with the help of real DOM. Nothing but here in a simpler way, actual real DOM is only used, but the virtual DOM is going to make a copy of this real DOM in order to improve the performance of the applications in React. So this is all about React introduction in today's video. And next coming video, we'll see regarding the coding part and how to work with React, how to create a React project.